Hi, today I have Mercedes-Benz CLK for ABS system repair. ABS BAS ESP lights all light up, warning in display, and we do our diagnostic. Diagnostic shows us the left rear speed sensor malfunction, and we notice that sometimes when you're moving and watch live data, all three sensors showing speed. This one sometimes showing, sometimes not showing, and wrong speed. And I look under the car for inspecting what's wrong, maybe with ABS sensor rings, because it's old system. This car is 1999, and I show you what I found. This is not electrical problem. Okay, I am under the car and I show you first good sensor and ring. Yes, a little bit zoom in. This is a ABS sensor ring. All gaps is the same. Everything seems okay. Now look for the faulty side. Like I said, this side is bad side, and look at this. This ring completely broken and it's moving. It's very bad because of that ABS sensor not showing speed, because the ring is not in place. Because this is mechanical failure, the car goes to the other guy's mechanic who can replace all this part. Thanks for watching.